you want to know what will be happening to this air conditioner? As you can see, it's probably more disgusting than the one that needs restoring. Yeah, it does work though. This is what's probably going to happen. My parents at some point will probably replace this with a new air conditioner. Because this one is, really disgusting. Look at that dust spills. Probably worse than the micro mark. So what's going to happen is, if my parents do replace it, I might be allowed to keep this air conditioner. I'll give it a good cleaning all because as you know it still works. But it's currently on the, let's switch on the low fan. Or actually super quiet mode because it's the same. It's literally the same. It works still. I'll switch on the high fan. It's high. Off. So yeah, as it still works, I'll probably beg my parents to be able to keep this. They probably won't let it inside the house because you know how disgusting it looks right now. If they ever do decide to replace it, I'll be able to keep it. Because you know what I would do? If I was allowed to have it in the house, I'd use it in my bedroom, obviously. And I'll probably use it to keep myself cool. Considering it's an air conditioner. I don't know, I could use it by a window. But it's a bit big. So that's why I was not thinking of putting it by a window. That's why I probably think of keeping it in a garage because it's too big. But yeah, that's what could be happening with this air conditioner. It could be replaced and I hopefully should keep it as it is one of my biggest, it's probably a joint biggest childhood item with a unknown brand new pedestal fan. Both of these have been around my whole childhood, that both of these still work and are still around. Also, if the white pedestal fan breaks or stops working, I'm allowed to keep it, the remaining of it. Anyways, it's actually quite hot in here. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick video on this air conditioner about what will be happening to this 1998 air conditioner. Thanks for watching and see you.